cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks, so little time. So many recipes, so little time. What's the theme for the day? Could be chicken, beef, vegetable, or maybe bread. Oh, we need something sweet, maybe cake. Ooh, cookies, pie, cobbler. So many recipes, so many cookbooks.
Got to brown the chicken. And if it's not releasing, that means it is not done. Don't worry about it though. Now we got about two to three potatoes that I've diced up, and we're going to saute those a little bit before we add carrots and onions and garlic. I'm going to let these the potatoes saute a little bit before we go ahead and add the carrots. Same way with the carrots. Let them saute a little bit before we add our onions. Now we added our carrots. We're going to saute them a little bit before we add our onions and our celery. And that is about 2 carrots cut into 1-inch pieces. So now we added our onion and our celery. I'm going to saute this a little bit. Added 2 cloves of garlic to this. And I'm also going to be doing this myself. We're going to add some fennel seed to this and salt and pepper before we add our liquid ingredients, which is chicken broth and lemon juice. So now we're going to add our chicken back on top. It says skin side down, but I am not using chicken that is done, which I wish I wouldn't have put it on a paper towel. Now we're going to add some lemon juice and some chicken broth, and we're going to pour this over there. Pour it over the chicken. And I am going to add, so the recipe says to bring it to a boil. So we're going to bring our broth lemon juice mixture to a boil. Then we're going to lower the heat down and let it simmer until our chicken is done. I think it would have been good to, yeah, you could brown your chicken a little bit, but saute your potatoes, carrots, and get that done, and then not drain the chicken onto the paper towels, because we want all those juices to cook in those potatoes. So now we simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is done. Of course, we're going to put a lid on it. So I'm going to put my timer for 25 minutes. And hopefully the chicken will be done by then. So we'll wait and see.